In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a dog bowl. Actually, it's called an elevated dog bowl, and they come in black, and it also comes in gray, and I have the gray version, and you can see the box that it came in right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and kind of look at it and show y'all, and then set it up, and let's see if the dog can eat out of it. Looks like it's a platform. Very nicely packaged. They did a good job on the packaging on it. There's a little set of instructions on how to set it up. The legs pretty much pop into place, and you can lift it up and down. It goes from 3-inch, which is like what it is right here. This is 3 inches in this state. And then it looks like it goes to 8 inches when it's like that. And you see how that works? That just pushes up right like that. 9.8 and 11 and up to 12 inches. How about that, everybody? You see how it has these little like push pins right here, and then it just comes up. But my dog is kind of small, so I'm probably gonna have to go with the smallest one. 2 of the metal bowls. These are very high quality metal bowls. If you got one of those dogs that just kind of like sucks down its food super fast, use this bowl right here, and it makes them slow down because they have to really get in between it to eat it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the slow feeder bowl, and then I'm gonna use this one for water. And the reason you wanna have an elevated bowl is so they don't, their neck, when they're down, their neck and back isn't all bent over. Just imagine us having to bend over a lot to eat food. Well, dogs are the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up now. You see how that gets down in there like that. Let me bring him over and see if he'll eat out of it. It's probably going to take him a minute to get used to it. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the elevated dog slow feeding and water bowl. See you guys in the next video. Eat up, Remo. Look at him.